Hello everyone, I would like to show you a website called GoNoodle. It's a free website for educators and families, so you can use this website in your classroom, and then students are able to log in at home and do these same dances at home. I mostly use this website for brain breaks. So when my kids, I can tell they're getting a little wiggly and they need a little break from the lesson, I'll turn this on. There are multiple dances that are anywhere from 1 minute to 3 minutes. Very few are over 3.5 minutes. So something like this right here, this Peppy Puppy dance, is only 1 minute and 23 seconds, and students are able to get up, they're able to dance, they just get a chance to regroup and get their brains back on learning. There's also many other things that you can use on here. You can go to channels where you can choose your favorite. Right here you can choose your favorite type of video. Maximos are all yoga type exercises, but they're animated, so they're a little bit more fun for the kids. MooseTube are just silly little videos. Blazer Fresh has lots of videos, such as there's one about patterns and explains patterns. But there's also Zumba, which is very much exercise, dancing exercise. Cuckoo Kangaroo has my favorite, which is Popsicle, and the kids are able to get up and move. There's also Indoor Recess. This is something that's very nice to do when there's a rainy day and recess is canceled. Kids aren't able to get out and play, so they're very energetic. This gives them a 10 to 15 minute video that rotates through several songs, exercises, dances, running in place, so that it gets them moving, and so they are able to channel that energy, use some of it up so that they are able to focus for the rest of the day. So I utilize these almost every single time we have a rainy, inclement weather day. And then also right here in channels, there's something that I recently discovered, which is called this YouTube. So you click on the YouTube and you are able to upload any video from YouTube that you may want to utilize in your class, and just choose whether it's a calming or energizing activity. So all you have to do is copy and paste the URL, decide what activity type, and click add. And it instantly adds it here. So I can see here's a video that one of my coworkers created for recycling. Here's the water cycle song from Have Fun Teaching, which is I've utilized when teaching about the water cycle. Just lots of different videos, whether they're educational videos or dances that I found on YouTube. It's nice to have them on here, because rather than playing them on YouTube where you have to risk the type of ad that may pop up, or if it will automatically start playing another video that may not have appropriate content, the videos are all here on one spot with no ads, and you don't have the risk of them switching to a different video after they're finished. So, and every time you finish a video or activity, when you close out of it, your character on here, oh, it's not popping up right now, but your little character right here, you see him, Bartleby Trunks is our current one. He grows a little bit, and so every 10 videos that you play, he grows, and then your character will be full grown, and you get to choose a new character, and the kids find it very exciting. Well, thank you for listening to my video. This is GoNoodle, and I hope you are able to utilize this in your classroom.